Want to start this year with some healthy dessert? Namaste, I am Mini and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are making a super healthy yet mouth-watering beetroot dessert, quite famously known as beetroot halwa in India. This yummy vegan dessert is gluten-free and sugar-free. But before we get started, if you are new here, I make easy vegan recipes with step-by-step instructions, and if you'd like to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new recipe. Let's get started. We are taking 3 medium-sized beetroots and going to wash them thoroughly, then peel off their skin followed by grating them. After that, take a pan and place it on medium heat, then add 1 or 2 teaspoons of oil, add 10 roughly chopped almonds, then 10 roughly chopped cashews. We are going to stir fry them for just 3 to 4 minutes and they will turn slight golden brown. The aroma of roasted almonds and cashew is just amazing. After 4 minutes, transfer them to another pan and to the same pan add 1 teaspoon of oil. Then add the grated beetroot to the pan. Stir fry the grated beetroot over medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 400 ml of plant-based milk to the pan. I have used soy milk. Give it a mix and then cover the pan and let it cook for 10 minutes over low heat. After 10 minutes, remove the cover and then you will see that the beetroot has become slightly soft, but there is a lot of liquid in the pan and we are going to cook it now over medium heat without any cover. Spread the beetroot evenly across the pan. This will help the beetroot to get cooked faster and let it cook like this for 5 to 7 minutes. Mix it in between to ensure that it is not sticking to the pan. After 7 minutes, add agave syrup to the pan. I have added a total of 4 tablespoons of agave syrup. You may replace it with vegan sugar or maple syrup. Give it a mix. Then add some raisins to the pan. Adding raisins early at this stage will ensure that they will get softened. Then add half teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix everything. Let this cook for another couple of minutes till you see all the water has evaporated from the pan. Once the beetroot dessert look like this, add the slightly toasted almond and cashew bits to it. Mix everything. Switch off the heat and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. I personally like the beetroot dessert cold, so if you would want to eat it like that, let the dessert cool down outside and then place it in refrigerator. It is so easy to prepare this and doesn't need much effort at all. This is one of the healthiest desserts out there and I'm pretty sure everyone would love it. This beetroot dessert recipe is so easy to prepare with just few ingredients and perfect for snacking and even for special occasions. Beetroots are packed with essential nutrients and great source of fiber, folate, potassium, iron, vitamin C, etc. And this beetroot dessert is a perfect way to sneak them in your diet. I am further garnishing the beetroot dessert or beetroot halwa with the leftover almonds and cashews. You can add any of your favorite dry fruits to pair with this dessert. So, if you like today's recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Foodotomic. As usual, I have listed all the equipments and ingredients I use in the description section. If you are still looking for more vegan videos, check out this easy vegan food playlist. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.